Hey there friends, your good old friend Eric here from the Action Toys channel, and today I want to do a restoration, well it's more like a part replacement, for this guy. Now, it's a Street Shark. I do not remember his name because he's not one of my favorites, but he did have something cool on here. It was a giant drill nose when I was growing up, and this isn't the one I had growing up. It might be actually, I can't remember, but or maybe not. But yeah, this is always missing. On every time you go out somewhere, they're missing something. So, when I was sitting there, I was going through Thingiverse, and I did buy a 3D printer. It's just a little the tiniest little learner one, $180 on Amazon. Not sponsored, by the way, not sponsored. But yeah, it's just a little Labist printer. And when I was searching Thingiverse, I come across this. Now, what is it? It's a giant drill for an Aquanauts tank. Now, it looks like that, but all the supports and all that are on there. So the first portion of this video is going to be me cleaning this up and then trying to fit it. And as you can see, my bed was a little hot, so I'm going to have to take a file all the way around it. But just off the bat, I did upscale this just a tiny bit to see how it would go. So probably if I would have left it alone, it probably would have went in there just perfectly. So, yeah. Alright guys, we're going to get down to cleaning this up. guys. I went through, I painted this, and I didn't like it. Probably because I got to do a buttload of sanding still, and it was picking up all the imperfections in the plastic. There's still some spots that are very rough. Like that side looks pretty rough, right? But it's actually not that bad. It just looks rough. But look at this side. Yeah, not too bad. I did tackle this a little bit after I washed the paint off, so that it does fit in here now. See? I think that would do fine. That looks fine. It doesn't look like the organic look like the other one. But you know what? I think I might take these whole sides down on the wall here. Yeah, I'll shave all the round spot down so it can go in there just a little bit further. Because right now it's got a big gap right there. But ooh. Yeah.
Follow the yellow brick road.